Welcome to our video on JavaScript Encapsulation. Today, we're going to explore what encapsulation means in the context of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation is a fundamental concept that helps protect our code by hiding its internal details and exposing unnecessary information through public interfaces. So why is encapsulation important? Well, when we encapsulate our code, we can ensure that its internal workings remain private and secure. This prevents external interference or unintended modifications that could compromise the integrity of our application. Now that we've discussed why encapsulation matters, let's dive into the key concepts involved. We have public variables, which are exposed to external code, private variables, which are hidden internally, and protected variables, which are inherited by child classes. Let's see a practical example of encapsulation in action. We'll create a simple bank account class with private variables for balance and interest rate. Now that we've seen a practical example, let's walk through the process of encapsulating our code. We'll create a class with private variables and public methods to interact with those variables. Now that we've covered the basics of encapsulation, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid. We'll explore what not to do when implementing encapsulation in our code. Let's recap what we've covered so far. We discussed why encapsulation matters, key concepts involved, practical examples, walkthrough diagrams, common mistakes to avoid, and much more. Now that you've completed this video, we encourage you to practice encapsulation in your own code. Try creating classes with private variables and public methods. That's it for today's video on JavaScript encapsulation. We hope you found this content informative, engaging, and helpful in your learning journey.